Okay guys, welcome to this part 2 of this paleo expedition with Dr. Steve Hunter, and we have here Dr. Steve Hunter's Paleo Expeditions Triceratops Excavating Kit. And this is the box that came with it that I showed you on the previous video, part 1. Here's the box. That's the front of the box. There's the interior of the box, which gives you the instructions once you excavate the Triceratops from the gypsum brick, how to assemble it. And then it gives you the everything that comes in the box. It tells you everything that comes in the box: the digging tools, the gypsum brick, the plastic excavation mat, the comic book, and you get a poster with it also. A really neat poster and 3 stickers. So here's the poster. The poster is just as cool as all get out. It's almost as cool as the box. The box is, there's the back of the box right there. But the poster is just as cool as all get out. The poster is amazing. It's actually got a comic here, and it's got some information on the Triceratops and I guess where you find him. It's got a little coloring page here, and then this poster is just amazing. This is some really cool artwork of a Triceratops and a Tyrannosaurus Rex just having a field day. There's a really cool poster that comes with it that's just really amazing. So let's put the poster up and let's get to our paleontological work here. Let's get to excavating this dinosaur from this gypsum brick, which is what this is all about. If I can fold this right, there we go. If you don't fold it right, it won't. There we go. I think that's it right there. There we go. And here's a comic book that comes with it. And you get a certificate of participation that states that you actually have excavated. A certificate of participation is to certify that you have successfully excavated and assembled the skeleton of and it's signed by Dr. Steve Hunter. So you get a certificate for your excavation here. So let's get right on this. Let's take this gypsum brick apart. And really cool, doesn't weigh very much. It's got a dinosaur footprint in here, and it's actually got serial numbers. So it's got serial numbers. It's probably been sitting on a shelf in a museum waiting for us to take this dinosaur out of its rock home that it is in for the time being. So let's put on our glasses so we don't get any shrapnel in our eyes. And let's see what this is about. Oh yeah, very soft. Very soft. I started over on the corner because I figured that the skeleton is probably, yeah, see, this gypsum is actually pretty darn soft. So this shouldn't be too difficult to do. Yeah, see, there we go. And okay, we've got a piece of dinosaur right here. We got a little bitty piece of dinosaur right here. This gypsum's actually pretty soft, and this chisel, this hammer's no problem, will go right down into this gypsum. It's actually not any problem at all. And so, oops, did I find another piece? I may have found another piece of dinosaur here. And maybe, no, it's just, but I did. I got on this side, I went on this side and I found there's some dinosaur right there. There's a piece of a dinosaur right there, so we're getting close. Wow, pretty cool. So I figured I'd start from the end. I started from this left end of this gypsum brick. Yeah, there we go. Oh, hey, yeah, I just pulled out what looks like the leg of a Triceratops. I just pulled his leg with his foot bones possibly in it. And so to conserve space, I'm gonna stop the video and then we're gonna get right back into this. We're gonna start part 3 of this video with this Dr. Steve Hunter's Paleo Expeditions Triceratops excavation. So let's stop this video and then we'll get back to it. Oh no, that's only 6 minutes.